Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Monday, January 8th. For the record, today is Sunday, January 7th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So I'm still looking at the lower time frame of the major indices. We are studying this structure right here. So in my opinion, it is definitely an impulse, but I would say this is the C leg of an expanded flat structure here as a wave 4. So A, B, C. And so what we are interested in now is when this structure here, this impulse is over. So I believe there is a chance that the low was in right here, as it as it meets the criteria of an impulse. We have 5 waves down as shown in red: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have our divergence if we compare to the wave 3 or the wave 3 of 3. So from that perspective, the low can be in right here. However, as you can see, as shown here in green, I would not be surprised if we get another low. First of all, we have some support area right here, and these areas typically work as magnets. So I would not be surprised if we go towards this area right here. That would be quite natural, I would say, to go to this support zone to do a test right here. But secondly, if I look at the Dow Jones, in my opinion, it looks like the Dow Jones is doing from this high here a WXY structure instead of an impulse, and the Dow Jones is still missing a leg down to complete a WXY structure. So therefore, I think if we see another sell-off in the Dow Jones, that it is not unlikely that also the NASDAQ takes out the low right here. Of course, it can also happen while the Dow Jones is selling off that we have a little pullback here in the NASDAQ and that we hold the low. That's also a possibility. But if I put everything together, then I would favor the scenario where we see one more low here in the NASDAQ to finish the impulse, which is then the C wave, and which is then the end of the wave 4. If I look at the 15 minutes, I do not really believe I can add something here. No, not really. I believe I've said everything. I think main conclusion is if we would look solely at this structure, everything is here to have a finished impulse. But if we put everything together, if we put a bit more context given the support area we have here, and given that it looks like the Dow Jones is missing another leg down, therefore it is not unlikely that we also see here in the NASDAQ another push down, taking out the low to make our 5th wave, which is then the end of the C wave, which is then the end of the 4th wave. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.